Hello, Namaskara. This is Aksharadvani channel. Nanu Nimma Nisha teacher. Knowledge of languages is the doorway to wisdom. In this video, we are going to learn the greetings in Kannada. Basic greetings. Hello is Namaskara. You can also say Namaste. Time-based greetings like good morning is Shubhodaya. Good afternoon is Shubha Madhyana. Good evening is Shubha Sayankala. You can also say Shubha Sanjay. Goodbye is Hogi Baruttene. Some polite expressions like thank you, Dhanyavada. Sorry or excuse me is Kshamisi. Welcome is Swagata. Now, how do you say take care in Kannada? Comment ಮಾಡಿ. I hope you like this video. See you next. Keep watching. Kannada ಕಲಿತು connect ಆಗಿ. This is Aksharadvani signing off.